To install the architectural font on your computer, you will need to download it from Schoology. After you do that, it will download it to your downloads location on your computer. Downloads is located right here, so if you click on downloads, you should see the architectural font you downloaded. If you will click on it and then right click over top of it and choose copy, you're now ready to copy it and install it on your computer. To find the location where you install it, you will need to click on the C drive of your computer, which is located under this PC. So click on Windows C drive, look for your Windows folder, look for a folder named Fonts. You'll see all the fonts that are currently installed on your computer. If you will right click somewhere in an open area, open space, right click and choose Paste, it will install the architectural font. And you will notice it right here, and you have just installed the architectural font on your computer.